We'll guide you through how to make image and text in Canva. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because they want to create visually striking text effects using Canva. Open Windows and then open Canva on your device to begin the tutorial. Click Create a Design from the homepage and choose your preferred design size according to your needs. In this tutorial, we will use a presentation as an example, so select the presentation option to proceed. Once the editor opens, change the page background to black to create a strong contrast for your text effect. Next, select the Elements menu from the left toolbar to access design components. In the search bar, type letter to find alphabet-related elements. Then select the Frames category to locate letter-shaped frames that can hold images. Choose a few letter-shaped frames and place them onto the canvas. Arrange and adjust the frames so that they form the sentence, "How to create an image and text in Canva," as an example. Make sure each letter is aligned properly and spaced evenly for a clean appearance. After that, click Uploads on the left panel to access your uploaded files. Select an image that has already been uploaded to your account. Drag the image into the text frames one by one so each letter is filled with part of the image. Repeat this process carefully for all frames to ensure consistency across the text. Then double-click on each text frame to adjust the images inside them. Repositioning and zooming is needed so the most visually appealing parts of the image are visible within each letter. Take your time to refine the placement so the overall composition looks balanced and cohesive. Ensure that the images align well across the letters to create a seamless visual effect. If necessary, make small adjustments to spacing and positioning for better readability. Once everything looks aligned and polished, review your design for any final corrections. Make sure the contrast between the black background and the image-filled text is clear and visually striking.